So you want to start beekeeping, but you're not sure what equipment you'll actually need. In this video, I'm going to show you the essential beekeeping equipment every beginner needs, what keeps you safe, what helps you manage your hive properly, and very importantly, what not to waste money on when you're just starting out. Let's get into it. Starting with the right kit makes all the difference. Head over to our online store and explore current starter kit deals that bundles the essentials, so you can focus on learning and growing your hive. Links are in the description below. Let's start with the most important thing, protective clothing. Even calm bees can get defensive, especially during inspections, bad weather or nectar shortages. At a minimum, you will need a proper bee suit or jacket with a veil. For beginners that want to prevent getting stung, I strongly recommend a full bee suit, not just a veil. It gives you the confidence, and confidence means calmer movements, which means calmer bees. Also buy a bee suit a size bigger to make sure the suit never pulls tight around your body. Your veil is non-negotiable. One sting to the face can end a beekeeping journey very quickly. Make sure the veil keeps the mesh away from your face and seals properly around the neck. Gloves are essential for experienced beekeepers, but for beginners, wear them. Leather or synthetic beekeeping gloves protect your hands while you're still learning how to handle frames gently. A tip for you all, remember, sweating a bit is better than getting stung and quitting beekeeping altogether. The smoker is one of the most misunderstood tools. Smoke doesn't knock bees out, it calms them by interrupting alarm pheromones. A basic stainless steel smoker is perfect for beginners. You don't need anything fancy, just something that produces cool, consistent smoke. One of the best 3 smoker fuel to use is pine needles. Hive tool. This little tool does a lot of work. You use it to pry apart frames, scrape excess wax and propellers, and lift the boxes. A standard J-type hive tool is all you need when you start out. Feeders. Feeders are essential, especially for new colonies, splits, or during nectar shortages. As a beginner, stick to simple feeders, like the entrance feeder, frame feeder, top feeder designed for your hive. And remember, avoid complicated feeding systems until you understand your bee's behavior. Other useful basics include a bee brush for gently moving bees, a frame grip, optional but helpful, a bucket and clean cloths for maintenance. You don't need a workshop full of tools, just reliable basics. Now let's talk about the bigger mistakes beginners make. Buying too much too soon. Avoid these early on, like the honey extractor, expensive monitoring gadgets, queen rearing kits, fancy plastic systems you don't understand yet. If you don't have bees yet or only have 1 or 2 hives, you don't need these. Focus on learning bee behavior, inspection, and seasonal management first. The rest can come later. Beekeeping doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to start. If you focus on safety, the right basic tools, and learning your bees, you're already ahead of most beginners. If you're looking for a starter-friendly beekeeping equipment suited for South Africa conditions, check out the link in the description to our online store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical beekeeping videos. I'll see you in the next one. Happy beekeeping!